Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here with my buddy Dan, and we're looking at his 1960 Willys Wagon. This thing is unbelievable. This Jeep Willys was built by Jeep America down in Sonoma County. This one may still be on their website. They're supposed to be the best in the business. This was a big money build to take it back to factory specs. Lots of time, money, and energy went into this one. And if this is what you're looking for, this may be the nicest one. I think I've only seen a couple over the years, and I have never seen one this nice. I mean, it's literally jaw-dropping, amazing condition. Top to bottom, front to back, completely restored, but to original style specs. I took a ton of still pictures. Please check them out at plattmotors.com. I also advertise on Hemmings, classiccars.com, classic.com, Auto Trader Classics, and my own website. Let's take a closer look. This thing is so sweet. It's got this really cool jump seat. I took a couple stills of it. It's got a little tool compartment down there. Got another one up there. The miles say 7764. 7764. I'll check with the owner. Sometimes that may be the miles since the restoration, but I will double check with him. As you can see, it's got all these sticks. He was explaining to me it's got an overdrive, so it's got your low and high, it's got your two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, it's got your regular stick, and then I guess the one that plunges you into overdrive. But gosh, look at this, guys. I mean, just unbelievable shape. Everything is mint, everything is beautiful. The seats are perfect, the glass is perfect. The floors are lovely. Check this out. You know, you got to remember that Platt Motors started in 1931, and Grandpa Dan took on Nash and Willys. And so this is pretty exciting. Pops is out over there with the owner, and he knew I had a Willys coming, that he wanted to be there. I mean, I don't see any flaws. I don't see any imperfections. I just see an absolutely beautiful specimen of a 60 Willys wagon. Lots of receipts. Big binder on this one. That's your guys right there, Willys America. That's who did the restoration. They're still in business today, Sonoma County, California. They know this vehicle intimately, like the owner does. And there we had a tag back here too. I snapped that one. Look at how beautiful this thing is. Just unbelievable. Underneath the hood, it's got a 226 flat six. I believe it's called a Super Hurricane. You got to see the undercarriage. Check out the stills. I mean, you can eat off it. Everything is picture perfect. Since the restoration, it's been garage kept, very light duty. I mean, look at those tires. Look at the Willys. Look at the Wagon. He just got it back from a museum where it was for a year or so, being displayed, because this is a serious specimen. So hey, if you like these Willy wagons like I do, and you're looking for the best of the best, you don't want to put $1 into anything, this may be the one for you. Feel free to give me a call anytime. 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com is my email. plattmotors.com is my website. I already told you all the places you can find that I advertise on the internet. And if you're looking for a 60s Willy wagon, again, and you want the best of the best, I believe I got one right here for you. Feel free to call me anytime. I so appreciate everyone looking at my videos, maybe following us on social media. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram. We fired up a little TikTok. And so we try to keep active. I'm a one-man band, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I do it all. I wear all the hats of a traditional dealership. You deal with the owner, you need financing, I help you out, send you to the right place, and we're doing good business here. Old school style, handshake style, and check my reviews. I got some real good ones. Good, honest people that we've worked with in the past. So we've been here for 10 years. We're not going anywheres. Things are heating up this summer at Platt Motors. So keep watching, and look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.